I faced my worst fear when I had to pull over on the side of the road and try to fix my camper. I have it all on video, and I'll share with you my mistakes and my 6 tips for handling roadside repairs. I'm Liz Amazing, and I live full-time in my RV traveling the country. After years of being miserable, I'm now all about following dreams and living life to the fullest. In this video, I'm going to share with you my 6 tips for handling roadside repairs, plus an entire incident that I had caught on video. I will share that with you along with my mistakes. My first tip is arm yourself with knowledge. You should know all the systems in your camper inside and out. You should understand all about hitching if it's a type of camper that needs to be hitched. Know all the components, know everything about it, so that when something goes wrong, not if, but when something goes wrong, you'll be able to recognize it. My next tip is perform 2 inspections every time you hit the road. The first inspection is before you drive. You want to walk all the way around your rig, you want to check the hitch, you want to check the lights, you want to check everything and make sure it's good to go. Look under it, look on top of it, do a full inspection. This is where I messed up, is I skipped that inspection. I did not give it a thorough inspection. Your second inspection should be within the first 5 miles or before you hit the interstate, whichever comes first. Do the same inspection and make sure that everything's still okay. So luckily I did do that, and that's when I saw that something didn't look right. Okay, so here is the situation. This is twisted. It should not be twisted. So the next tip is know where to go to get help. I recommend a roadside assistance program and find a membership forum online for your type of camper. There is probably an online community forum, a manufacturer forum, or a Facebook page, if not all 3. That is an excellent resource. So in my situation, I photographed what didn't look right and I put it on the forum and I said, okay, is this okay? And it came back that my camper was not safe to drive. I needed to pull over immediately and try to fix it. So I'm kind of in the middle of nowhere and I have to unhitch and somehow figure out the bolts. So my next tip is know how to use your tools. I bought a torque wrench and I thought I'd be able to figure it out with the instructions, but I couldn't figure it out. It's very important, of course, to have tools, but you definitely need to know how to use them before an emergency comes up and you have to use them. In my case, I figured out I didn't even need the torque wrench. It was an Allen wrench that was needed, and luckily I had one and I knew how to use it. My next tip is be willing to learn. If you're going to travel across country in an RV, particularly if you're solo, definitely things are going to happen and that are going to stretch you out of your comfort zone. So be willing to learn and just embrace everything as a learning experience, right? The best tip for roadside repairs is to try and avoid them. This means doing your regular scheduled maintenance. You'll probably find this in your manual that came with your RV or on the online forums. Do whatever maintenance needs to be done or take it to the shop and get it done so that you can definitely limit your time on the side of the road trying to do repairs. Have you had to make any roadside repairs? Share your story in the comment below. And if you liked this video, you'll love the next one, how to avoid bad haircuts on the road. See you in the next video.